Welcome, Isoelectronics. This aspect of chemistry is very simple. If you can understand the simple concept that comes with it. Isoelectronics are species with the same electron configuration. You can see from the board, when I mean the same electronic configuration, I mean that they have the same electron, the same number of electrons. From here, the atomic number of sodium is 11. The atomic number of magnesium, you can see, is 12. Aluminium is 13. Silicon is 14. So the number of electrons here, since this is an atom, is, let me make it interesting, put plus here. The number of electrons here, look at this. This is sodium, but it has lost 1 electron. Therefore, it will be 10 electrons here. This is magnesium. Magnesium will not lose any electrons. It's still an atom here. And so we have 2 here. The atomic number of aluminium is 13, but it lost 3 electrons. Therefore, it now has 10 electrons. Silicon, as you can see, is number 14. And it didn't lose any electron, and so I will just write 14. In examination, look at what they will do. They will bring this thing. Of course, this is not part of it. They'll just bring this one, sodium plus magnesium, aluminum, and silicon, and ask you, which among these are isoelectronics? Now, all you need to do is just know the total number of electrons in each of them, and you will know. From here, you can see that sodium has 10 electrons and aluminum has 10 electrons. Therefore, both aluminum and sodium here, they are what? Isoelectronics. Because of what? They have the same electron, and therefore, they have the same electronic configuration. This is what is happening here. Let me give you another example. What if you have this? So you have sodium plus comma, we have magnesium, we have neon, we have oxygen 2, and let me say we have nitrogen. And they ask you, let me put nitrogen straight to make it interesting. Is the above elements isoelectronics? All you need to do is to know the total number of electrons here. The atomic number of sodium is 11. It lost 1, therefore you have 10 electrons. Magnesium is number 12. So as an atom, magnesium is number 12 as an atom. Yes, so this is 12. Sodium is number 10, right? The atomic number. Oxygen is number 8. It gains 2 more electrons, therefore you have 10 now. Nitrogen is number 7, it gains 3 electrons, it has 10. So which among all these is not an isoelectronic? You can see the only compound that is not isoelectronic here is magnesium. So in a multiple choice question, if they should ask you which among these are not isoelectronic, all you need to find out is which among these ones do not have the same electron number. All of these elements above, they have 10 electrons, apart from what? Magnesium. That is the most easiest way for you to find out under isoelectronics. A video on isoelectronics. This is classwork. Which among these is not isoelectronics? Which among these here is not isoelectronic? Please answer this and drop your answer at the comment section of this video. Thank you very much. Which among these? And please tell me how many number of electrons are there, and which among these compounds is not an isoelectronic with the rest. Thank you very much.